How to send large photos in Gmail. So if you have a photo that's over 25 megabytes in size, I'm going to show you how to go and upload and send this using Gmail. Now, first thing you need to do is go and open up your phone, and we're just going to load up the App Store. Now click on the search box at the bottom of this page and go and search for the word Drive. You can then click on the Google Drive and install this app here. Once it's finished installing, go and open up the Google Drive. Now make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account and then click on the plus icon in the bottom right hand side. You can then press upload file, click on photos and videos, and then just go and select the photo you want to send in Gmail. Now press upload. Click on upload once again, and once it's finished uploading, you can go and open up the Gmail app. Now select Compose in the bottom right hand side, click on the attachment icon and select Drive. You can then press My Drive and then just locate the photo that we just uploaded. Once you've uploaded your photo, you can then go and compose your email by creating a subject line and a description as well. Make sure to add a recipient to who you're sending this to and then click on the send icon in the top right hand side. So that's how to send large photos in Gmail. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.